Hello everyone. My name is Ishan Misra, and today I'll be presenting you a short UX case study that I did on the calendar app called Hamro Patro. So, the problem that I found in Hamro Patro is that most of the users that are using Hamro Patro is for calendar, meaning I am a user and I want to know what date is today, or I want to see the calendar for today, this month. So I open Hamro Patro. Yeah. So I have taken a user persona to empathize, meaning there's Ram Bahadur, who is a normal user who lives in Nepal, who likes trekking, traveling, and he wants to check out a date and he wants to check out the calendar for the month for today in Hamro Patro. So what he does is he opens Hamro Patro and then he is shown this screen, which is filling with too much information, and the calendar is inside this small part here, meaning that this screen is visually cluttered, and he feels a short pain, UI friction while using the Hammer Patro, meaning he has to focus his eye here and look here and get that today is 6th Chaitra. Oh, today is March 20, 2026, and the app is filled with many ads and other campaigns, etc. So this is the problem that Ram Bahadur and most of the user face. Now, now to conceptualize the problem and to get a solution for the problem, what I did was researched. I researched why is it visually cluttered? What's stopping Ram Bahadur from getting to know the date easily? And then I used many AI tools such as ChatGPT and Gemini to get my answer to do the research. And then what I found was the pain points. So most of the user gets distracted by ads and unnecessary content, like you can see in the Hammer Patro itself. Calendar is not immediately visible, like I told. User has to go inside the focus inside the specific card to see the calendar. And there's too many sections, and it is hard to understand what is important. And after conceptualizing the problem and trying to get the solution to it, what I found the solution was is to make a simple UI. To make a simple UI focusing on the calendar itself, which is the normal users. Normally, users open Hammer Patro for calendar. And most of the events and today's upcoming events. And conceptualizing that, I created a UI for it. So this is the solution UI that I created. I created this using using my own design system. So you can see the design system here. I have also set the link to in the description. Uh, yeah, so this is the complete UI for a solution to the Hamro Patro problem that I just discussed. Meaning I made the calendar UI more visible and reduced all of the ads and campaigns that is stopping Ram Bahadur and other people from getting their dates. And also, if I want to know some festivals that are happening this month, I can also see the festival and events from the bottom section here. Yeah, so that's it. That's how I empathized with Ram Bahadur and conceptualized a solution to a problem, and then generated a design for the problem. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.